Do you want to create a faceless YouTube channel? Or perhaps you're an entrepreneur looking to impress investors with your product? Well, you're in for a treat. Hey Lemonheads! Today we're going to explore the world of top-notch AI avatar generators. Generators that can make all your dreams come true. So let's go! The first generator is called HeyGen. Let's go to the website. By the way, all the links will be in the description of this video. Once you are on the website, create an account or just connect your Google account. Now, on the top right, we can click Create Video. We can choose between Landscape Mode and Portrait Mode. Let's choose Landscape for now. When we look towards the left-hand side, we can choose between plenty of different avatars. Choose one that you like. Now, in the middle, in that text box, we can type in the script for our avatar. Click on the play button next to it to test the audio.
Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am not.
A cool feature they now have is that you can auto-translate the text and automatically choose another narrator voice that fits the translation. Let's try it.
أهلاً ومرحباً بكم مرة أخرى في قناتي.
Oh, let's try it in Spanish.
Hola y bienvenido de nuevo a mi canal. No soy la hija.
Now on the right, you can change the narrator. There are plenty of multilingual narrator voices to choose from.
Hola, así es como suena.
Hello, this is how I sound.
You can even tweak the speed and pitch of the voice.
Hello and welcome back to my channel. Hello and welcome back to my channel.
You can drag the avatar wherever you want it to be. Let's add some text. All the tool buttons are on the left. You can add a lot of elements and images to make it visually appealing to the viewer. Using the preview button, you can assess the current appearance of your creation.
Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm not Harry Potter's daughter.
If you like everything, then go and click Submit, and your video will be generated. This process takes a few minutes. In the meantime, let's create a new video. This time I will be using a character from the Avatar Light section. Let's add some text. Let's change the voice.
Hello. Hello. Hello, this is how I sound. Hope you like it.
And let's submit the video. Well, I am feeling excited today, so let's make another video in the meantime. Let's pick a new avatar. Change the text. Change the voice. This time I'm going to make the background green. This is a very useful thing to do if you would like to edit the video later in video editing software. And submit it. Wow, look at that. What a treat. All our other videos are ready. Let's watch them together.
Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm not Harry Potter's daughter, although many people think that I am. Today I want to talk about the Amazon.
And now this one.
It is really great that I am seeing you again. You must be Ding 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 Dong Liquor, right?
And now the last one. And yes, I edited this one in Sony Vegas.
Yo yo yo. What's up my G's? Do you like my new fit? It's kinda hard I think. But yeah. I was thinking about starting a career as a rapper. Please buy my product.
Now let us check out our One AI. Let's connect our Google account and continue. I am really eager to try this video wizard option. Let's try it out. We have to give it a short input, and it will generate a whole video for us. Let's type something like, Top 3 reasons why Elon Musk should start his own Musk perfume. Let's click Create. Wow, it created an entire presentation. We can modify it and tweak it by going to the right-hand side. There we can select a different avatar or presenter. We can modify the text, style, audio, and more. When you are done editing, then click Create Video. Now your video is being generated. Let's watch the result together.
Elon Musk is a symbol of innovation and leadership. His presence alone could attract people to the product, ensuring a successful launch of his own Musk perfume. With his vast network of influential connections, he has access to many resources that other perfumes lack. This will give Musk's product an edge in terms of quality and promises a successful product launch. Aside from the profits that Elon stands to gain, producing a unique fragrance can also add to the legacy he has already created. He will be remembered for bringing something new and exciting into the market: Musk perfume.
Oh my god, that worked perfectly. Next, let us check out Synthesis. Let's create an account and get started. Now select an avatar. And select a template you like. Now here we can change the avatar, add the narrator text, change the voice, and we generally can just change the whole appearance of the video. All the tools for that are on the left-hand side. Let's add a script for our avatar. And when you click on the plus icon on the right-hand side, you can add a new scene, and even add a new avatar. When you are done, then just save the file and then click Create Video. Let's watch the result together.
Hello guys, I am Noah Schumacher. I can fix you finances with just a snap of my fingers. And well, I am not joking, because Bill Gates is my granddad-in-law. So yeah. Please call me.
Wow, thanks Noah. That was so interesting. But I am a bit tired right now. I am going to bed.
Bye! Good. I am also tired.
Okay, that was fun. Next, let's try Vidos. Create an account or connect with your Google account and continue. Now click Create Video and then select Create a Blank. For this video, I'm going to pick the landscape mode. Now here we can choose a template for our video. I want to make a professional product pitch video, a kind of video to convince new investors. I made a script for that in ChatGPT, and I am going to change the presentation slides according to that text. ChatGPT also made a script for my avatar, so I just put it in the speech box. Now here above are all the tools you need to add images, change text, or to pick a different avatar. It's really simple to use. Let's take this avatar. Let's choose a voice. On the left-hand side, we can add new slides to our presentation. Now, when you feel like you are done, then click the preview button to see the progress. And then click Generate. Now it will take some time. Let's watch the result together.
Are you tired of dull, lackluster skin that's holding you back from looking and feeling your best? Look no further. We present to you the ultimate solution for your skincare journey, the Ultra Glow Skin Elixir. Revitalize your complexion, infused with a powerful blend of rare botanical extracts and cutting-edge bioactive compounds. Our skin elixir works tirelessly to breathe new life into your skin.
Wow, isn't that great? Let's go to the next one. This one is called Colossian. Now connect your Google account and let's start creating something amazing. Now click on New Draft. And then let's start from a template. Select a template that you like. Now here we can edit the entire presentation. All the modify tools are on the left-hand side. We can change the narrator script. We can change the avatar. And we can change the entire slideshow appearance by adding new images, text, and shapes. Watch me edit the video. Here you can even select the mood of your avatar. When you are done editing, just click Generate, and the generation process will start. Let's watch the result together.
Hello, I am Jeanetta Rinklomberg. Phishing steals identities and wrecks lives. It affects everyone. It's really sickening. They stole 2 credit cards from my mother. And now they think I did it? Well, at least my grandma thinks that I did. So I will now explain to you why I did not steal my grandma's 2 credit cards. Yes, she had to. Haha, nice, right? But I am serious. They did it with phishing. It's really sad, but they do it by using data to access a victim's account and withdrawing money or making an online transaction, e.g. buying a product or service. So here is a little graph or pie chart. To be honest, I am no expert. But look. That is the amount of $1 trillion they stole from my granny. In all seriousness, this looks really professional. Ain't it? Phishing rise. This has become a growing threat.
That was fun, right? Now let's try Credo AI. Go and sign up or sign in, and then click on Digital Human Video Creation. Here we can choose between a lot of different avatars. Pick one you like. Then on the right-hand side, we can change the voice of the avatar.
Credo AI provides more than 100 digital human images, and
Credo AI.
Let's write some text in the text box. Now click Audition to listen to it as a preview.
Hello, I am Stefan, and welcome back to my channel.
Next to that, we can also adjust these sliders here to make adjustments to the pitch and the speed of the voice.
Hello, I am Stefan, and welcome back to my channel. I want to show you my...
When you are satisfied, just click Generate Video. While that video is generating, let's create another video with a different avatar. Look here, we can also add an interval in the text box, so our avatar will make a short pause before reading the other text. And let's generate that one also. By the way, Credo's output videos always have a standard green background. This is very convenient if you want to edit the video later on in a video editor. Look at that, the videos are ready. Let's watch the results.
Hello, I am Stefan, and welcome back to my channel. I want to show you my new Bentley Bentayga. It's from 2020 and has a beautiful black color. Let us take a look inside. Wow, amazing, right? All leather seats and with a free hot dog stand in the back. See you next time, guys.
And now the second one.
Introducing our irresistible delight black chocolate ice cream with sprinkles. Indulge in the rich, velvety texture, and intense black chocolate flavor. And here is a treat for you, buy one and get 7 free. Hurry, satisfy your cravings with our exclusive offer today.
Now let's go to DID. Let's sign in and then click on Create Video. Let's choose an avatar and enter text. Here we can also add some speech pauses into our text. Let's change the background to green. And now let's generate the video. While that one is generating, let's create another one. This time I will use an Indian accent. Let's generate that one too. Now let's watch both of the results.
Hey guys. Do you like my new haircut? Yeah.
And now this one.
Hello guys. I think your computer has virus. Please help.
Another thing I wanted to show you is the AI presenter generation. Click on Create Video and then instead of the regular presenters, click Generate AI Presenter. Now here we can type how we want our presenter to look. I will type Gordon Ramsay eating fish sticks in Puerto Rico, and then generate it. Okay, not bad. Let's create a video out of that. And now, let's watch it together. A little warning for you, this might be a bit scary.
Wow. Oh God. That's just disgusting. Lamb sauce.
Haha, but it is quite a funny gimmick. Now let's try out the last one. This one is called DeepBrain AI. Create an account and then select. Start with ChatGPT. Now comes the cool part. We just have to enter a little description of what we want and choose a template. And then an entire presentation with an avatar will be created. So let's type something like, why eating bananas at 6 p.m. is an important life hack. And let's generate it. Wow, look at that. If we wanted, we could just export this presentation immediately because it is basically finished. But let's just, for fun, edit and modify it a bit. On the right-hand side are all the tools you can select. You can change the avatar, add some text, images, audio, and video. And in the middle, under the previewer, we can even change the avatar text and voice. And on the left, you can add and navigate between all the slides. Here, this one is for you. You deserve it. A magical cookie. When you are done modifying, let's click the Export button.
Bananas are a nutrient-rich fruit that provides various health benefits. Eating them at 6 p.m. can positively impact your overall well-being.
Magnesium aids in muscle relaxation, reducing nighttime leg cramps, while tryptophan promotes the production of serotonin, promoting restful sleep.
Bananas are rich in sugars, such as glucose, fructose, and sucrose, which provide instant energy. Additionally, they contain vitamins and minerals that support metabolism.
The fiber in bananas regulates bowel movements, prevents constipation, and supports the growth of beneficial gut bacteria, promoting a healthy digestive system.
And that's it, Lemonheads. I hope you enjoyed it and have a good overview of which AI avatar generator is the best fit for you. Start making amazing videos yourself and have fun. Join the AI revolution, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Hasta la vista, baby.